We already work on the multiplication. Today we're going to work on the division. It's the very similar process that you already did for multiplication. Just one extra thing that we do when we do the division. Other than that, everything is exactly the same. Now, I'm working on this one. So if you look at it, what type of fractions are those? So these are the mixed fraction. What do we do when we have a mixed fraction? Improper. So what is the improper fraction for this one? 4 over 3. And then divided by what I get for this one? 19 over 8. Are we good up to here? Yes. All right. Now we have two fractions. We have a division in the middle. We are going to apply the childhood rule that we learned when we were a baby. It's the keep, change, flip. So if you have two fractions, you have a division in the middle. We are going to keep the first fraction as it is. We're going to change the operation to multiplication, and we're going to flip the last fraction. That's what we're going to do over here. So 4 over 3, and then let's change the operation into multiplication. And then we're going to flip the second one. So it's become 8 over 19. Question? Now it's a regular multiplication problem that you have been already doing. We're going to multiply the numerators and we're going to multiply the denominators. What's the value? Give me the value for numerator. New value for the numerator? 32 over 57. Can I simplify?
No.
What type of fraction is this? What type of fraction is this? Proper fraction. So we don't even have to make it mixed or anything, and we cannot simplify it. So if we cannot do anything, we're just going to leave it as it is, and that's going to be my answer. Box it, we're done. Any questions? Are we good? Give me a thumbs up, please. Great. Do this one by yourself. I'm giving you a minute. 1 minute it is. If you are done, let me know so I can check it. All right, we are going to work on addition, subtraction. So this page we really don't need to do on it. It's the integer addition, subtraction. Let's flip to this one. We're going to work on the addition first. Subtraction is a similar thing. I'm working on number 14. Okay, now the way how I'm showing it, you really don't have to follow it. Everybody has their own way of doing it. Some of you like to do it in the LCM and GCD, those type of way. I'm okay with it. That's fine. As long as you are getting the correct answer, the process is correct, I have no problem. You really don't have to follow my way. I'm showing it for everybody, just in case if you forgot about it. Let's look at number 14 over here. The way how I do it, I call it a modified butterfly. Everybody knows about butterfly, right? You remember we multiply the cross, right? In the corners we multiply. I call it a modified butterfly because we apply the butterfly and then we multiply the denominators as well. That's it's a modified butterfly. Again, we can only do this when we are adding or subtracting fractions. Adding and subtracting fractions. So take a note on the top. We can only apply modified butterfly for fraction, add and subtract. Not for multiplication, division. We cannot apply it for that one. We good? All right. Let's look at one problem. So here what we're going to do is that we always start from the left side, we go towards the right side. Always remember, in math, from left towards the right is the positive direction. We're going to do that one. So we're going to multiply this 2 and we're going to multiply this 2. That's the butterfly, right? Because we always do the cross in the butterfly. Okay. Now the last portion is different. We're going to multiply the bottom one as well. Okay, let's see how it works. So we're going to put them under the same denominator now. So multiply 3 with 15, that's going to go first. Always maintain the order. We cannot break the order. That's the first thing. So 3 times 15, it's a multiplication sign, not x. And then we're going to multiply this too. 7 times 5. Keep a gap in the middle. The sign is going to go. What is the sign over here given? What's the sign? Plus. Sign never changes. The operation never changes. Operation will stay. If it is a positive here, we're going to put a positive. Whenever you work on a negative problem, you're going to put a negative. Okay? Now the bottom one. This one over here. So we're going to put 5 times 15. Is everybody good up to here? Give me a thumbs up. All right, great. Now we're going to work on it. So the first one, 3 times 15 is going to be? 45. Plus 7 times 5 is going to be? 35. 5 times 15 is going to be? 75. If you add 45 and 35, what do I get? 80. 80 over 75. Can I simplify? Yes. With what? 5. If I simplify with a 5, what do I get? 80 divided by 5 is going to be? 16. Thank you. It took that long. And 75 divided by 5 is going to be? 15. All right. What type of fraction is this? Can I simplify more? That's the first question. No. Okay. So what type of fraction is this? Improper. So what should I do with it? Mixed fraction. So if I make it a mixed fraction, what do I get? How many times 15 goes to 16? 1 time. So 1 is going to be whole. And after that, what is left? 1 over 15. Can I simplify anymore? No. We good? Great. Any questions on this? Are we good? Yes. Do number 16. I'm giving you 2 minutes. If you are done, let me know so I can check with you. Let's look at one more problem. I want to show one subtraction, but I want to show you something with, see over here, if you look at number 18, one of the number is a whole number, the other one is a fraction. So I want to make sure that we talk about this one as well. You can have this type of problem. It's easier for us to deal with the same type of numbers. Like if fraction, all of them are fraction. If whole number, all of them are whole number. One fraction, one whole number, that complicates everything. So it's easier, well, it's easier for me, I would say. Maybe you guys can do it on your head. That's fine. I'm a very visual person. I convert it into fraction. Is there any way I can convert a whole number into a fraction? Okay, over a 1. So I make it a fraction now. All right. Now, what we're going to do is that we are going to do the same process again. We're going to do the modified butterfly. So we're going to multiply this to number. Oh, sorry. We have to bring it to a mixed improper fraction. So 6 over 1. What is the improper for this one? 49 over 11. So the same thing again. We're going to do the modified butterfly that we have been doing. Okay, so let's bring it under this one. So 6 times 11. And over here, it's going to be 49 times 1. What will be the operation in the middle? Subtraction. And at the bottom, it's going to be 1 times 11. So on the top, I have 66 minus 49 over 11. So what do I get on the top? 17 over 11. What type of fraction is this? Improper. So what do we do with it? Make it a mix. And if we make it a mix, what do I get? How many times 11 goes to 17? 1. So what is left? 6 over 11. Perfect. Question. All right. If there is no question, you are going to work on number 13 through 24. I have the answer key over here, so once you are done, you can bring it and you can check all your answers with mine. Let me talk about the homework, please. Have a seat. Let me talk about the homework real quick. So if you go to this one, we already worked on, you guys already worked on number 7, 8, and 9. You're going to finish the rest of it. Number 1 through 12, all the problems over here. Question? When is it due? Tomorrow. Okay. And when is the next exit ticket? Wednesday. Perfect. All right. Any more questions?